Market wrap and outlook. Amid heightened volatility, Nifty ended Wednesday's session in the red, raising the key question, what's next for the market? Our call of the day, the intense swings witnessed in the first 15 days of 2026 offer a clear preview of how Nifty may behave through the year. So far in January, the index is already down 1.78%. Critical support, 25,473. Bullish revival only above 26,100 on a decisive basis. Key trigger, the US Supreme Court deferred its ruling on challenges to President Donald Trump's global tariff policy, extending uncertainty over the fate of a major pillar of US economic strategy. Positive catalyst, WTI crude plunged nearly 5% to around $59.1 per barrel, its sharpest fall since October, after easing concerns over an imminent US strike on Iran. President Trump's comments on receiving assurances from Iran reduced fears of near-term conflict and potential disruptions to oil supply routes. Bottom line, volatility remains elevated and is set to dominate today's trading session. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Wednesday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4781 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 50 to 17 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,200 and 26,200 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 11.32 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.41 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 0.82 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 0.90. Nifty outlook. Bullish traders are likely to trade with caution on any excessive intraday strength as FIIs continue to be on the sell side. But firm global cues are likely to keep downside protected. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5666. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,571 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,941 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,600 and 5900. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 83383. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 82,861 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 84,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 82,900 and 83900. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 59579. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,713 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,951 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,200 and 60200. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Volatility is set to remain the hallmark of today's trading at Dalal Street, with traders balancing trade deal optimism, earnings momentum, positive global policy cues as against persistent FII selling. Two major overhangs. 1. FII selling, 21,706 crore rupees in Jan so far. 2. Muted Q3 FY26 earnings start. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Post-release of Q3 FY26 Infosys ADR rose Wednesday to $19.35 but fell overnight towards $18.61. Infosys consolidated net profits for the October to December quarter for the financial year ending 2025-26 dropped 2.2% to 6,666 crore rupees compared to 6,822 crore rupees amid the impact of the Indian government's recent labour code norms. The company's revenues from core operations jumped nearly 9% to 45,479 crore rupees in the third quarter results for the 2025-26 fiscal year, compared to 41,764 crore rupees in the same period a year ago. 2. Jio Financial Services Ltd, plus 0.84%, 287 rupees. Jio Financial Services reported a consolidated profit of 269 crore rupees for Q3 FY26, as total income more than doubled year-on-year to 901 crore rupees, driven by a sharp rise in contributions from its core lending, payments and asset management businesses. A key highlight of the quarter was the rising share of income from operating businesses. Net income from core businesses accounted for 55% of consolidated net income in Q3 FY26, compared with 20% in the year-ago period.